Starting around 15 July 2023, Theta organization in a real sense is exchanging at 80 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.53% in absolute most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Theta has a for the most part all-out market cap of $804,262,377, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $15,449,574 in a very enormous manner. This sort of makes Theta organization, Theta, extremely positioning at 52 in the digital currency market, which sort of is very critical. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023, what will Theta organization for the most part be somewhat worth in 2023, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Is Theta organization an essentially wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they for the most part thought. Will Theta cost outperform its untouched in every way that really matters? High and in all things considered, large way. These basically are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023 as per the Theta organization gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Theta cost by and large is supposed to fundamentally cross a very normal value level of $1.01, the normal truly least value worth of Theta organization. Toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to basically be 97 cents, or so they truly thought. Besides, Theta can arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $1.09, which is very huge. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation July 2023. The cost for Theta organization in July 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 80 cents and 90 cents. Showing that Theta has a genuinely complete market cap of $804,262,377, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $15,449,574 in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to be around 87 cents, or so they really thought. Theta organization, Theta, value estimate August 2023. For August 2023. The cost of Theta organization is somewhat anticipated to, in every practical sense, arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of 91 cents, while the coin could exchange between a limit of 93 cents and a by and large least of 87 cents, which truly is very critical. Theta organization value estimate September 2023. In September 2023. The cost of Theta organization explicitly is supposed to, in every practical sense, be at around an essentially least of 90 cents, in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization cost can, in every practical sense, arrive at a kind of limit of 97 cents, with the kind of typical cost of 93 cents in United States dollars, exhibiting that these explicitly are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, which especially is genuinely critical. Theta value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Theta organization especially is determined to basically be at around a sort of least worth of 92 cents, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Theta organization value worth can especially arrive at, and in every way that really matters, limit of $1.01, with the all things considered, normal exchanging worth of 95 cents in United States dollars, or so they by and large thought. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Theta organization cost certainly is conjecture to, in every practical sense, arrive at an outright most minimal cost of 94 cents, showing the way that Theta organization cost can arrive at a genuinely limit of 97 cents, with the by and large normal cost of 93 cents in United States dollars, exhibiting that these truly are our Theta organization cost forecasts for Theta's future. Or so they especially thought. The Theta cost could especially arrive at a most extreme cost of $1.04, with the typical expected cost around 98 cents, which fundamentally is very huge. Theta organization cost expectation December 2023. Theta organization cost by and large is supposed to reach between 97 cents to $1.09 in December 2023. While the genuinely normal cost of Theta for the December stays around $1.01, Theta organization fundamentally pass cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta network's cost, in every way that really matters, has shown a very decent increment of 1.53%, In the all things considered, most recent 24 hours, so starting around 15 July 2023, Theta organization for the most part is exchanging at 80 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.53% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, which is genuinely huge. From especially most recent 7 days, the Theta was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 13.4%, demonstrating the way that Theta organization cost can in a real sense arrive at an especially limit of 97 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 93 cents in United States dollars, showing that these in a real sense are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in a by and large significant manner. Theta organization by and large has shown areas of strength for really potential recently, and this could be for the most part great chance to dive right in and contribute, which for the most part is very huge. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta generally diminished by 30.547%, dispensing with an astounding especially normal amount of 35 cents from its ongoing worth in a significant manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be an especially decent certainly purchase and open door for by and large fast venture, which explicitly is very huge. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 23.69%, and the cost generally flowed from an exceptionally least truly normal cost of 97 cents to kind of greatest certainly normal cost of $1.06 in the truly beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner. In essentially most recent 4 months, Theta organization in every practical sense has shown a developing pattern, which is very critical. In this manner, we sort of think that comparable pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period, exhibiting that Theta organization cost expectation December 2023. Theta organization cost essentially is supposed to especially reach between 97 cents to $1.09 in December 2023, while the by and large normal cost of Theta for the December in every practical sense stays around $1.01. Theta organization past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Theta network's cost in a real sense has shown a very decent increment of 1.53% in the especially most recent 24 hours. So starting around 15 July 2023, Theta organization fundamentally is exchanging at 80 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.53% in very most recent 1 hour. Incredibly, as per the kind of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Theta organization especially is expanded from 4 months, showing that Theta organization value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Theta organization certainly is supposed to basically be at around a really least of 90 cents in a genuine